For centuries, the sun has been more than just a source of light. It's been a symbol of life, growth, and endless possibilities. As the world embraces the power of green energy, the sun stands as our most powerful ally, capable of sustaining humanity's future. In 2019, a new dawn broke in the world of solar energy. Solar Yaan was born, not just to deliver power, but to deliver a promise that what we offer is more than just technology, it's trust. At Solar Yaan, innovation drives everything we do. From 2 kilowatt to 136 kilowatt, our inverters lead the market in technology and reliability. But our customers aren't just buying inverters from us, they are buying trust. In an industry often plagued by poor after-sales support, Solar Yaan stands apart with a 10-year warranty and on-site service. We ensure that our customers are never left in the dark, every issue resolved, every promise kept. From 1% to 45% market coverage in just 5 years. Our growth reflects our relentless pursuit of excellence and our commitment to powering the future. Looking ahead, we are building a 1 gigawatt manufacturing plant near Ahmedabad, poised to contribute 20 to 25% to the PM Surya Ghar Yojana. At Solar Yaan, we are not just creating products, we are empowering the future. With every innovation, every service, and every satisfied customer, we are bringing the power of the sun into homes and businesses around the world. And above all, we are building trust. Solar Yaan, powering your tomorrow today.